Okay, here we are going to discuss another different question. Okay, another different question. Here I'll give you third term of particular number pattern. Okay, T3, third term of a particular number pattern, that is 48, and sixth term of a particular number pattern is 3072. 3072. There are some difficult methods, there are some easy methods. I'll use the easiest method to explain this. Okay, here you have to find A and R. Okay, you should find A and R, both of these. Okay, for that, first of all, when we deal with this kind of question, when they were not indicated the A or R, you have to write T3. We know A into R, 1 power less than this number, R to the power of 2. So 48 equals to A into R to the power of 2. Okay, likewise T6 means A into R to the power 1 less than this number, so it should be 5. So T6 3072 equals to A into R to the power of 5. I think when I did my O levels in 2017, I did this kind of question. Okay, yeah, some kind of question like this I faced. Yes. Okay, in this case, this is our first equation. This is our second equation. We don't know A and R. We don't know two variables. So in this case, you have to use the simultaneous equation method. Okay, first of all, from the second equation, I am going to divide the first equation. Okay, think about it. When you simplify, when you divide, okay, A R power of 5 should be divided by A R to the power of 2. That is 3072 divided by 48. 3072 divided by 48. Okay. Here we can simplify this A and this A. That will be cut off. Okay. R to the power of 5, R to the power of 2. In here, if the base are same, while division we can subtract the powers. So R, 5 minus 2, it's 3. Okay, when you divide this, let's divide here 3. Yes, then it's 5, then 3 plus 1, 4, 48. Yeah, it should be 48. When you simplify this by using number 48, here how many times? 0 and 172, it's 4 times, and in 29, 2900, 4800, 64 times. Okay, when you simplify this, 64 times. So R to the power of 3 equals to 64. R to the power of 3 equals to 64. Okay, here you have to find which number's third power is 64. So R to the power of 3 equals to 4 to the power of 3. 4 to the power of 3. So we can directly find R as 4 here. R as 4 here. You can substitute this R value in any formula, any of these two formulas to get your A value. Okay, let's find our A value. In here, T3 we know that is 48 equals to A into R to the power of 2. R to the power of 2 means 4 to the power of 2. A equals to 48 divided by 4 4s are 16. So our A equals to 3 here. A equals to 3 here. Okay, I'll repeat this question once more. There are some data given. According to this data, you should write the particular equation. T3, 48 equals to AR square. 3072 equals to AR to the power of 5. Here there are two variables, two equations. We can simplify them to get. Okay, from the second equation, I'll divide this first equation. That will give you A R power of 5 divided by A R power of 2. A and A can be simplified. R to the power of 3, that is equals to 3072 divided by 48. Okay. Here you can, if you know how to divide this directly, you can divide. Otherwise, yeah, you can divide this. It's 64. 64 4 to the power of 3. So our R, common ratio for this geometric progression, is 4. You can substitute this R in any formula. I'll substitute in the first formula. 48 equals to A into 4 power of 2. So 48 divided by this 16, that will give you A as 3 here. That will give you A as 3 here. Clearly try to understand this question and know this clearly. Okay, in this question, T4 and T7 given. Okay, we will substitute them. T4 means T4 A into R to the power of 3. 48 equals to A into R to the power of 3. Similarly, T7 A into R to the power of 6. It's 384 A into R to the power of 6. Okay, this is our first equation and this is going to be our second equation. Here you should divide this. From the second equation, when we divide the first one, 384 divided by 48 equals to A into R to the power of 6 divided by A into R to the power of 3. You can simplify them. Then 384 divided by 48. 64, 8. 8. Yeah, 1. It's 8. So R power of 6 divided by R power of 3 equals to R power of 3 equals to 8. No. So 8 is 2 power of 3. R equals to 2. R equals to 2. Okay, then we will substitute this R value in the first formula. 48 equals to A into R to the power. R means 2 to the power of 3. So our A should be 48 divided by 2 to the power of 3 means 8. So A equals to 6. A equals to 6. R equals to 2. That is the answer for this question. Like as our previous one, okay? We can directly substitute in these formulas and you have to construct two simultaneous equations. By solving them, we can find R. Okay? Then you can substitute the R value in particular formula to get A value as 6. Okay, for this question, R equals to 2, A equals to 7. Which term is 448? We don't know which term is. Okay. 448. Okay, Tn equals to A into R to the power of n minus 1. Okay, Tn, that is 448. A is 7 and 2 into n minus 1. Yeah. First of all, you should divide 448 by 7. 448 by 7, that will be 2 to the power n minus 1. 448 divided by 7, it's 64. Yeah, 8, 7. 448 divided by 7, it's 64, yes. 2 to the power n minus 1. Okay. We can write our 64 as 2 to the power of 6. 64 as 2 to the power of 6. That is equals to 2 to the power of n minus 1. In this case, just neglect this. Okay, 2 and 2. The bases are same. No, don't consider about that. Now we'll consider about the power. 6 equals to n minus 1. 6 equals to n minus 1. So our n should be 6 plus 1. N is 7. So 448 is 7th term. Okay, 7th term is equals to 448. I'll repeat it again once more. We don't know which term is. We are going to find. For that, we have to find the number for this particular n. For that, we substituted the given data in this particular formula. That is 448 is our particular term. We don't know which term is, but the number is 448. 7 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. Then we can divide this by 7. It's 64. 2 to the power of n minus 1. 64 can be written as 2 to the power of 6, that is equals to 2 to the power of n minus 1. Just neglect the bases, consider about the powers. R equals to n minus 1. So our n should be r plus 1, that is equals to 7. So this is not your answer. You have to write 448. Okay, 448 is T7 or 7.